Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Maxwell equation. This concept is a very useful concept in so many competitive exams like AUCET or MSc entrance exams. Now, what is the Maxwell equation? Already you know that in my previous class I am going to explain the Gibbs equation. This Maxwell equation is the ratio between the thermodynamic functions and thermodynamic variables by using of Gibbs equation. Now these are the four Gibbs equations are present in there. These four equations used to derive the Maxwell equation. Now in this section, how to derive the Maxwell's equation by using of this Gibbs equation. Now start this section. See this board. First of all, this is the one of the Gibbs equation. The Gibbs equation is dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. This is the one of the Gibbs equation. Now what happened there in this equation? At constant entropy, it means S in delta S or dou S equal to 0. Now what happened exactly in this case? dE equal to, this term is also 0 minus PdV is present in there. Now what happened? dE by dV at constant entropy is equal to minus P is present in there. Now this term partially differentiation with respect to entropy. Now what happened? Dou by dou S. It means this is the dou by dou S, and this term is also dou E by dou V at constant entropy. This is the function is present in there. Now what happened there? This is the P is present in there. Now dou P by dou S. In this case, this volume is also constant. Now the subscript is present in V. Now what happened? Dou square E by dou S dou V is equal to minus dou P by dou S at constant volume. This is the one of the equation is present in there at constant entropy. Now what happened exactly this expression at constant volume? What happened there? At constant volume, now what happened? At constant volume, same expression at constant volume, it means dou V R ds equal to 0. This term is also 0. Now what happened? dE is equal to TdS is present in there. Now what happened? dE equal to TdS. Now dE by ds equal to T is present in there. This is that constant volume. Now what happened? As well as this expression partially differentiation with respect to volume. Now what happened? Dou E by dou S into dou by dou V. Differentiation with respect to volume equal to dou T by dou V. In this expression dou T by dou V, this constant, this entropy is constant in this term. Now the subscript is S is present in there. Now this is dou square E by dou S dou V is equal to dou T by dou V at constant entropy. This is the one of the expression is present in the at constant volume. This is the one of the expression is present in the at constant entropy. Now these two expression, what happened there in LHS side, it means left hand side dou square E by dou S into dou V equal to this expression. These two are LHS is equal to, now what happened? The one of the Maxwell relation is present in this expression. The relation is minus dou P by dou S at constant volume equal to dou T by dou V at constant entropy. This is the one of the Maxwell equation is present in this expression d is equal to TdS minus PdV. Now what happened in another Maxwell equation, we have to find out the dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. See this board is dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. This is the one of the Gibbs equation. Now what happened exactly in this expression at constant entropy, what happened, dH is equal to VdP is present in there. Because of this term is 0 also, ds is equal to 0. Now what happened, dH by dP at constant entropy is equal to V. At constant entropy is equal to V. Now this term partially differentiation with respect to entropy. Now what happened, dou by dou S into dou H by dou P is equal to dou V by dou S. In this case, dou V by dou S, this pressure is constant, the subscript is present in here. Now what happened exactly, this is dou square H by dou S into dou P is equal to dou V by dou S subscript P is present in there. This is the one of the expression is present in at constant entropy. Now what happened exactly, this expression at constant pressure, it means dP is equal to 0. Now what happened, dH is equal to, this term is also 0. Now TdS is present in there. Now dH by ds at constant pressure is equal to T. Now exactly this term partial differentiation with respect to pressure. Now what happened there, dou by dou P at constant pressure, so dou by dou P into dou H by dou S equal to dou T by dou P. In this term, dou T by dou P is present in there. Now what happened is the subscript is present in here. This is the SC is present in there. Now what happened, dou square H by dou P dou S is equal to dou T by dou P S. This is the one of the expression is present in there. Now these two expression, what happened there, in these two expression LHS side is also equal. Now we have to write these two are equal. Now the dou V by dou S at constant pressure is equal to dou T by dou V at constant S. This is the one of the Maxwell equation is present in there. The equation is written right in this slide. Now dou V by dou S at constant pressure equal to dou T by dou P at constant entropy. This is the one of the Maxwell relation is present in there. Now another relation is present in there. This Gibbs equation is used. dG is equal to VdP minus SdT. Now dG is equal to VdP minus SdT, as well as same process at constant pressure dP equal to 0. Now what happened there, dG equal to minus SdT is present in there. Now dG by dt at constant pressure equal to minus S. Now partial differentiation with respect to pressure, what happened exactly, dou P by dou by dou P into dou G by dou T is equal to dou S by dou P. Minus is present in there. Now what a minus dou S by dou P, this term, what happened at constant pressure. Now this is the temperature is remains constant. Now this temperature is subscript this subscript here. Now what happened, subscript is T is present in this expression. Now what happened, dou square G by dou p dou t is equal to minus dou s by dou p subscript t is present in. This is the expression is present in this at constant pressure. Now what happen at constant temperature? It means dt equal to 0. Now what happened? dz is equal to dt is equal to dz is equal to this term is 0. vdp is present in there. Now dz by dp equal to v. Now this expression is at constant t. Now this expression is partial differentiation with respect to t. Now what happened? Dou by dou t into dou g by dou p. Dou g by dou p equal to dou v by dou t. Now what happened? Dou v by dou t in the subscript is present in the subscript is p. P subscript is present in here. Now p. Now what happened? Dou square g by dou t into dou p equal to dou v by dou t at constant pressure. Now these two expression LHS side is also equal. Now what happened? RHS is also equal. Now minus dou s by dou p at constant temperature is equal to dou v by dou t at constant pressure. This is the one of the Maxwell relation is present in the relation is minus dou s by dou p at constant temperature is equal to dou v by dou t at constant pressure. This is the one of the Maxwell equation is present in the by using the this Gibbs equation. Now another Gibbs equation is dA equal to minus sdt minus pdv. The another Gibbs equation is dA equal to sdt minus pdv. E is equal to minus sdt minus pdv. Now what happened at constant temperature? dt equal to 0. Now dA equal to minus pdv is present in there because of this term is also 0. Now what happened? dA by dv at constant temperature is equal to minus p is present in there. This is the partially differentiation with respect to pressure, partially with respect to temperature. What happened? Dou by dou t into dou a by dou v equal to minus dou p by dou t. Now in the subscript is present in this expression. The subscript is volume is constant. Now volume is subscript is present. V subscript is present in this expression. Now dou square a by dou t into dou v is equal to minus dou p by dou t at constant volume in this expression. Now another expression is at constant volume. Now dv is equal to 0. Now what is the expression? dA is equal to minus sdt is present in there. Now dA by dt at constant volume is equal to minus s. In this term, partially differentiation with respect to volume, what happened exactly? Dou by dou v into dou a by dou t equal to minus dou s by dou v. Now in this expression the subscript is present in here. The subscript is t is present in here. Now t subscript is present in here. Now dou square a by dou v dou t is equal to minus dou s by dou v at constant temperature. This is the expression is present in there. Now these two expression, what happened there? Those both equation LHS is also equal. Now what happened? RHS is equal. Now the minus dou p by dou t at constant volume minus is equal to minus dou s by dou v at constant temperature. This minus is cancelled. Now what is the equation is present in there? Dou p by dou t at constant volume is equal to dou s by dou v at constant temperature. This is the fourth Maxwell equation is present either using of this Gibbs equation. This is the concept of the Maxwell relation by using of the Gibbs equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.